we look at the third question. This was in the year 1999. What is the value of 2 over 3 plus a half of, into brackets, a half minus 1 over 5, close the brackets, divide by a 3 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 5. Now, looking at the solution, we are going to use BODMAS. And we say that BODMAS means brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, in our question, we can see that we have brackets. So, we are going to solve first of all what is inside the brackets. We take a half, we subtract 1 over 5. Okay? Now, to work out this, we need to find the LCM. LCM of the denominators. In this case, we have 2 and 5. We find the LCM. We have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5, we can divide by 2 to get 1, and then we bring down the 5. 5 we divide by 5, and you are left with 1. So the LCM will be 2, you multiply by 5, you get 10. Okay? Now 10 will become the common denominator. So it will become the common denominator. Now we can work out. We take 10, divide by 2, gives us 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So we write 5. You minus 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So we have 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 gives us a 3, and then the denominator is 10. So the answer will be a 3 over 10. Okay? Now, let us write down what we have now. We have 2 over 3 plus a half of, the answer which we have got is 3 over 10 divided by 3 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 5. Now, we go back to the BODMAS. After brackets, we go to off. So, the next step will be solving a half of a 3 over 10. Okay? So, we have a half of 3 over 10. And we know that of means multiplication. Therefore, a half multiplied by 3 over 10. And then we can work this out. So this will be, since we cannot cancel, it will be 1 multiplied by a 3 will give us 3 over 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. So we get a 3 over 20. So we have 3 over 20. We write down what we have. We have 2 over 3 plus 3 over 20 divided by 3 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 5. Now, we are done with of. The next one is D, meaning division. So, we work out this. 3 over 20 divided by 3 over 5. So we have 3 over 20 divided by 3 over 5. Now, when you are dividing fractions, we know that you change the division sign into multiplication, and then you find the reciprocal of the second fraction. Therefore, this will be 3 over 20. We change the sign, multiplied by the reciprocal of 3 over 5 will be 5 over 3, because the reciprocal means that the numerator will become denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. That's how we have 5 over 3. Now, we simplify this. We can cancel, or we can divide by 3. We have by 3, 1, by 3, 1, and then 5 and 20. We can divide by 5. We have by 5, 1. 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. And the answer will be 1 over 4. Okay? So here we have 1 over 4. Now, let us write down what we have. We have 2 over 3 plus a quarter multiplied by 2 over 5. Now, we are done with division. The next one is multiplication. So, the next step is to work out a quarter multiplied by 2 over 5. So let us work out this. You have a quarter, you multiply it by 2 over 5. We can simplify this by dividing by 2. 2 by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Okay? So the answer will be 1 over 10. So here we have 1 over 10. Finally, we write down what we are left with, which is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 10. Now, in the final step, we are going to add this, and the answer we get will be the final answer. So, to add 2 over 3 plus 1 over 10, we need to find the LCM, as we did earlier, of the denominators. In this case, we have 3 and 10. So we find the LCM of 3 and 10. So 3 and 10. 10 can be divided by 2. So we write 2. Here we have 3 and we have 5. And then we have 3. 3 divided by 3 will be left with 1. 5 cannot be divided by 3, we have 5. And finally, we divide by 5, we are left with 1. So, the LCM will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 multiplied by 5 gives us 30. So the LCM will be 30. So it will be 2 over 3 plus 1 over 10. The LCM will be 30. Now, 30 divided by 3 gives us 10. 10 multiplied by 2 gives us 20. Plus 30 divided by 10 gives us a 3. A 3 times 1 gives us a 3. So the final answer will be 20 plus 3 gives us 23 over 30. So this is the final answer. So the correct answer for that question is 23 over 30.